Stop overpaying for travel. Imagine being able to book your next flight or hotel at the absolute lowest price without spending hours searching multiple websites. Today, I'm showing an AI that does all that for you instantly. Planning a trip is stressful. You spend so much time comparing flight prices, checking hotel deals, and trying to figure out which option gives you the best value. Even after all that effort, you might still miss out on cheaper options or end up overpaying. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and exhausting. This is where AI makes everything easier. Apps like Skyscanner's AI, Hopper, or Kayak AI Assistant can scan hundreds of airlines and hotel booking sites in seconds. They analyze historical price data, track trends, and even predict when prices will drop. Some apps send personalized alerts if prices change, so you don't have to keep checking constantly. The AI essentially becomes your personal travel assistant, making sure you always get the best deal. Here's an example. I wanted to plan a trip from New York to London. The AI scanned dozens of sites and immediately showed me the cheapest flight, including layover options that saved money. It also suggested the best hotel nearby, showing when the price was likely to drop in the next couple of days. I could see a clear cost comparison for all options, so I didn't have to waste time manually checking multiple websites. In just a few minutes, I had a full travel plan, flights booked, hotel selected, all at the lowest possible price. Using this AI saves you hours of research and can save hundreds of dollars. It makes planning trips faster, smarter, and stress-free. You can focus on what really matters, enjoying your trip instead of worrying about deals. If you want to stop overpaying for flights and hotels, try one of these AI travel assistants next time you plan a trip. These tools make travel simple, fast, and cost-effective, letting AI handle the work so you can enjoy the experience.